I going again?
Yeah, go again. I hope my pony is included. Rarity is my favorite.
So too.
Come on.
Oh no! Duplicate again! Rainbow Dash. Alright, so there's the figures we got with Fluttershy in 2 different poses. As well as you can see the checklist, we did not get Twilight Sparkle. But that's okay. These were a lot of fun to open. Shannon, we've got to pick a favorite pony.
Okay, I have to go with Rarity.
Rarity.
Yep.
No surprise there. I'm going to go ahead and go with Rainbow Dash. I love the rainbow mane and tail that's very colorful, and I also like that she's kind of like cross-eyed.
Then we got like 4 of them, or 5 of them, something.
True. All right, we also have a bunch of Hershey Kisses. So those are our favorites. How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That will make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew, where we are still on the hunt for Twilight Sparkle. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.